also a person can be self-independent than joint family.
You are talking about privacy, but what about security? Security in joint family is much better than a nuclear family, because in joint family the security of children is much better.
I can say that if we are living in outside of our city, many types of caretaker are available in cities. We can hire them. So security is not main concern. In today's time, it's about parents what they can make their children and can be done best for them.
If you don't have believe in your parents, then how can you believe in other survivor who caretaker of your children? How can you believe?
We spend our money on them, we hire them. So if for money everyone can do.
Money
It's
what
like
confidence?
What is talking about confidence, not money. We can't buy everything with money.
But
Money
we have
caretakers-
seen that many types of NGOs and caretaker center are allowed to people.
Okay.
When
When you
they
are
can
living in nuclear family, you would like to send your children in NGOs. In the
if we can say that parents as I am and my wife, it's not essential that both are doing job. So if my wife are living in home, so she can survive with children.
That's why that is a disadvantage in a nuclear family if both.
But there are a lot of disadvantage in joint family. We can see that joint family increases.
I'm here now. Let one person finish his point first.
I'm saying that if both person are in job, husband and wife, then who will take care? You are saying that the caretaker will take care of the. But would you believe in caretaker taking care of your children?
But think if you are in Air Force, how can you take care of your parents?
That's why joint family is better. That's why.
Then you are living with separate with your wife and children.
But in my
That is your concern.
Then
That's
why?
what they are telling. When
you are
you are serving in a
you are-
border, then who will take care of your son and daughter?
This
The
is
caretaker.
why I'm
Who
saying
is hungry for money only?
no, sir.
What kind of value will be feeded over?
Wife can be go with their husband.
Why will get the role of husband?
In my opinion, joint family increases unemployment. We can see in joint family there are a lot of people who are lazy and they does not work.
How can you say that there are a lot of joint family has 80%?
I'm not agree with
Your
your
point is-
opinion.
because there are a lot of families
Everyone is
where
not
all the
the
members
same.
of the family are earning money,
Earning money, there is a lot of money come from.
and a lot amount of money is coming from home.
But in my opinion, my friends say that in the joint family there are lots of person who are not believe one another, and this is a cause of their disputes, which is not good for the joint family. But in the nuclear family, there is not causing problems.
If we respect our elders and our parents too, then we should never fight with them.
If we
and
live with love and affection.
But in my opinion, if you live in joint family, and joint family is lived in villages, so you can get the best education of your children, because if you live in a nuclear family, you can go in cities and
Joint
Today we are
family
living in
also
21%.
available in cities. You are saying that joint families are
and your family, joint family living in villages, and you cannot afford it.
Okay,
It's not
today we are
possible
living in
that you
21st
are
century,
saying that joint
and when
family is
you
not
are living in
needed.
cities, you
I
are only
know
the
that.
man who is earning money, and there are a lot of expenses are available, and you cannot afford them.
We should know about that joint family is a father of nuclear family, because in joint family people fight with together and after it he lived in nuclear family.
Yes, you are.
And
saying
how
that
can,
joint-
as my friend Sam Singer said, in joint family there are.
Continue.
I want to put up one question. Suppose we are living in nuclear family and we forget our parents. If after some times I have also kids, I would like to that my kids leave me.
How can you say that a person is living in nuclear family, they can not respect and believe in your parents.
And
You
it's
are
not-
it's not all about
if
you.
you are not
living with them, understand?
Is living is the standard of belief. Is living is the standard of belief
Yes.
with you. With
I have
you.
done
If
more
you are
than-
not supporting your parents, what is the
How
problem
can
that
you expect that
your
your-
kids are respecting you?
and support you and live with you.
But
How can you say that we will not
forget,
living in-
forget to eat a food? What are you forget to eat a food? So you can, so you what you
I
can
don't
say that.
understand your point. How can someone forget to take food?
What are you saying that any person forget that?
They are just trying to ask a question that India is known for its culture, and our culture always shows that we should live together. United we stand, divided we fall. If 4 or 5 brothers are living together, this way they can better grow. Other outsiders who are willing to harm you, they cannot harm you because they see this is not a single person. This is a group of 7 people. So in that case, what happens? Nobody will dare to talk to him. And that is always problem in a separate family. If you live in a nuclear family, you always live in a terror that anyone coming with a superpower, he has, and he will beat you, and you are not able to do anything. All the time, police is not going to help you. So he's saying Katya kind of activities will be there. If 4 or 5 or 6, 7 brothers living together, they rule the village directly.
But my friend said that suppose if you forget your parents, so I tell what can you forget to eat a food? So you say that
It's a kind of forgettingness. You are just doing all the work. You are just even calling 1 and 2 times in a year to your father and mother, and now you are trying to say that you have love for your father and mother. This is not the way.
Food is essential for life.
Yeah.
We cannot forget food because if we forget food, we will die. You are saying that
And if we
You also lived in a nuclear family. You also lived in a nuclear family.
I
No
live in
personal
joint-
comments.
I live in-
No personal comments.
I want to tell you, I live in a joint family. Okay,
How many members are there?
they are 15 members.
And you also we learn the management system.
With
How
my-
15 members living together?
With my
There is
uncle,
a
auntie,
problem of
and
unity
real
in
children.
nuclear family.
My uncle is in government job,
Personal
and they are living
personal live there, but-
Okay, there is a problem of unity in nuclear family. What do you say? There is a problem of unity in nuclear family.
How can you justify every joint family has unity?
They are
Because they live together, it means they are.
I have seen my
fighting together.
If they are
If
not
you are-
they are separate, there is less.
So I am saying nuclear family is best.
No, but
There is no unity. There is no
there is
unity.
unity because and
Why not?
I have a question to ask you. Being a father,
सर आप इनका बस
I have a question to ask you.
जबरदस्ती हम लोग
Being
करना
a
पड़ रहा है.
father, being a father, can you see your sons are just separating each other? Being a father, how do you feel when you see your brother, your sons are fighting each other? How do you feel? That's the question, sir.
So if sons are fighting, so I will say them just
Get
separate,
lost of my house.
just separate and live your life with fully
And
confidence and
That's a weak point. You said that's a weak
I have another question now. You 4 or 5 brothers living together. Now father is coming to meet you guys. Which home he will go first? That's the always question. Your sister,
I think that's romantic.
your sister will come on Raksha Bandhan. So in which home she will go first? That's the question for her.
I think this is not a relevant question because
Of course it is.
she
Why
can
is
go
the question?
anywhere. She can go anywhere. That's
But
not
it is-
problem.
no. Sometimes wives mind it that she went there first.
It's a wife mentality. How can I justify that?
Family
Wife
is
mentality?
run by females, not by males. They are going office and coming home in the evening. So whatever is being managed by
But
women.
there's a travel that holidays are.
okay, I have a question to ask you. When you are living in nuclear family and you don't know about any festivals, how can you celebrate them?
I know every festival. How can I don't know? Because I lived it. I can celebrate in my further of the years.
A lot of festival.
Wait, I have a question to ask you, sir. Okay, what happens in the evening? Like I have some idea, I want to implement it, but in the dining table when I sat, I just wanted to share this to my grandfather because he is the decision maker personality. So when I told him that grandpa, I want to do this, then my uncle heard and he said, "No, this is not a good idea, but you can implement this." The same time another uncle gave his idea, and finally what happened, there is a conflict between the ideas because they all are from the different professions. And that is how I believe in a joint family, we can be a warrior only. Because we cannot be the commandant officer, because here the grandfather is already commandant officer. So in this way we cannot learn how to lead. And that's what we can learn from the separate family. Is it not the point?
Yeah, we can listen to everybody.
If you want to be a soldier, joint family is good. If you want to be a leader, I guess commandant officer, in that case I believe that the separate family is the best option. Here you learn how to be self-dependent.
I want to give previous answer.
Okay.
You are in your joint family. You are listening to everybody, but do what you
like.
so much say.
Mhm.
You are listening to everybody.
But not allowed in joint family, so.
What?
But this is
It
not allowed in joint
encourages
family.
feud
Your grandfather is
in
the
joint
decision
family.
maker personality. He will decide you will go for MBA or you will go for BTech.
Yeah.
You can only, in parliament, you can only propose something. Debate will be done, finally Rashtrapati and President of India will make a sign. And then that law will be converted.
If it will be good for me, then I'll go with my grandpa. And if it not, then
How your grandpa
and my-
can get to know that what is good for you? Grandfather took birth in 1990 and I took birth in the 21st century. We both have different mentality. It's like that I'm going to see a girl for myself and my grandfather is coming to see a girl for myself. So who can choose better for me? But I know my taste,
because
but he can't know.
because he
They
has
have a lot of
experience.
Experience of what?
What?
Please tell
My
me
question is
that
that
you
what
What is the
you want
experience of grandfather? Like
Yeah.
at that time when he went to choose a girl, that was okay. At that time it was okay. But now
He will be
I have a
definitely-
question.
I love fashion. Here.
I have a question for you. Your grandparents are uncouth. How can they decide your future? Your grandparents are uncouth, illiterate.
Uncivilized.
Illiterate.
Illiterate.
Uneducated.
It's
Uneducated.
it's modern time. Our future
But they
is not
belong to
decided
an
by the
ancient time. But they
There
belong
are
to
some
ancient
joint
time.
family
But
okay,
most of
decision
the grandparents
why?
are from 90s, where internet is not, they don't know anything about internet, and because of internet, lots of opportunity are there.
If
We
you
can,
If you don't mind, I want to show a video.
don't show me,
but
just
now-
Okay,
one
sir.
video.
What video you are trying to show? About?
He is
But
telling that
nowadays-
all the parents are illiterate.
All,
But there
no,
are
some of most of the grandparents.
I want to say
was
there-
born in 1931 and he was educated. So
They
you
can't-
cannot show this. We all know very well.
But nowadays,
Most of the people, most of the
but
grandparents.
now I want to say something. But nowadays, our parents allow to take decision of our own life.
But-
okay?
But there
Nowadays-
are some, not a whole, there are some.
But in nuclear family,
Tell me, what is
our
if you are-
How you can say that
Exceptions
the
are
nuclear
everywhere.
family members can allow to what you want to do?
Because we are a master of yourself, we are taking all the decisions,
can't.
not
They
our
all
family.
Then,
When you
then
are
every,
sick-
then every time
Sir, when you are sick, you have to go to office. There is no other option. You are living in a separate family. You make money and serve your family. But in joint family, at least I have option. That today I'm not going office, my brother will go and handle all the work. Is it not the support we need?
But in joint family,
How can you justify if your wife and you are both are doing job? How can you stay with joint family? If your wife is doing job in Jaipur and you are doing job in Delhi, how can you stay with?
And where's your son will live now?
in the village.
With you or with your wife?
your son,
It's not matter of sons,
Send your
it's
son
matter of
to
me.
join
Of course, it's matter of your son and
If you are
also.
married, you have to son.
We can, in my thinking, you
How
you
you
never leave your
living
wife.
in Jaipur and you're living in Kashmir?
I have a question.
If your wife is living
Sir,
in
I have
Jaipur
a
and you
question.
are living in Delhi, that's not a separate
Sir,
family.
sir.
That's a
That is not family.
Sir, I have a question.
It is not even family.
You never leave your wife alone.
He has a situation. He has a situation. It's not like that. Okay, at last we will get the conclusion first. Sir. Conclude.
At last, I would like to conclude that joint family or nuclear family are both
Good.
Both good. It's totally depends upon our mentality.
Where we are comfortable.
I conclude that both are equally are good, and in the joint family, it is necessary that we should compromise our dreams with, if we are not compromise the cause of disputes, and it is our responsibility that we should make the balance between our family and family members, which is good for our future, and it is also the cause of our happiness.
So at last, I would like to conclude that in joint family, when it comes to security, it is better than the nuclear family. When it comes to the privacy, self-dependency and privacy, it is not good. It will be in nuclear family, and it is our preference to in which family we should live.
At conclusion, I would say both families had its advantage and disadvantage, but a person can choose what can he wanted to do in future and what type of family he wanted to live. His present situation can decide what he want to live.
I want to conclude that both joint family and nuclear family is good in its place. It depends on us what way we want to live. That's my point.
Last I would conclude that both families like nuclear and joint family are good. It is depend to our dreams. How can we survive nuclear family or joint family?
In my point of view, both families have their own merits and demerits points. If we especially talk about culture and tradition, then we will have to go to the joint family. And if we talk about especially on making decisions, then we will have to choose the nuclear family.
Both family has its own advantage. If someone want to live in joint family, he can, and if he want someone in nuclear family, he can. Thank you.